then we started creating work orders, and then we started getting the running data that we needed. And we did, once we got that running data built, running data being how many times we were called to a piece of equipment, what we changed on it, what was broke on it, and now all of that's in our software. It's a tool that we can use to decide what needs to be worked on and what doesn't. And we did that for the next 5 months, and then it was time to get ready for the next shutdown. And that's when we started saying, okay, we got a little bit of running data now. So we pulled reports by downtime. Show me all the equipment that has had downtime. And we got a list of all of it. And then we took the top 10 offenders in each mill. And when we sat down at the table, that packet was ready to hand to every participant that was there. And now they can see. And it went pretty parallel with their memory, but some of it was like, oh, I didn't think about that, So then from that list, we decided, okay, this is what we're going to work on. We're going to take the top 3, anything that we've had more than 3 hours downtime or whatever the number chose was in the last 5 months, and this is what we're going to rebuild, rework, whatever this shutdown. And when we did that, we ran all our numbers, we ran our reports and stuff we had, and then we started right back in with our running data. Well, by the time we got to June, when you ran that report, those top 3 weren't up there anymore. They were down here. We made an improvement. When you've got 8% downtime and you knock it down to 5,
it's big.
Yeah, that's easy. That's a big jump.
Yeah.
But it's still easy to see what you got 5% downtime with. What's your biggest thing? Well, these and this is still a big one. Where it really helps you is when you cut it down, and we cut mills down from 3 to 5 to 1.5% downtime. But now is when the challenge starts, because you've got to, not only are you refining how you're working on it, but you've got to refine how you report your data of the running data. Because once you get down to below 3% or the 2% or the 1.5% range, if you got all your equipment, that's all the downtime you're having in an entire plant or a mill, which is a subsection of the plant, and you're only having 1.2% downtime, how do you divvy that up? Tribal knowledge not going to help you divvy that up. It's hard to see that. So now you've got to shift your whole realm. Okay, what are we going to work on now? Because we only had 1.5% downtime. What's killing us? When you get your downtime numbers that low, you have to look at it from that point. What keeps the mill running? And we even started making decisions of what we needed to replace. What did we need to ask for capital money to be able to replace it? Because that was our bottleneck at that point in time. I mean, we're keeping it running, we're maintaining it, but we've still got that, and that plagues us all the time. And we've spent this much money on it. So do we continue spending money to get rid of that, or do we put something there that outperforms that we don't have to work on?